Hello, everybody. So today, drones are used in many applications with more and more efficiency for industrial usages, such as agriculture or site surveillance or high voltage line inspection, and also for media and entertainment, but also for emergency services, such as urgent medicine delivery, and also to support the action of firemen. For firefighting, drones are used for quite a long time, and this usage has recently increased. For example, during the last year, in the United States, during the terrible forest fire, because one of the advantages to use a drone for firefighting is to perform a place recognition faster and without sending a person. So it is safer for firefighters. I'm sure that you have all in mind the recent event when the drones were used during the fire of Notre-Dame de Paris. The church were too hot and firefighters were unable to enter or even to approach. Drones were not only used to make recognition, they were also used to direct the waterfalls into the right direction in order to be more efficient and in order to avoid to destroy the precious part of the edifice. So we could say that the drone was the remote eye of the pilot. Many types of drones are used from the small, well-known low-cost DJI Phantom up to the sophisticated multi-rotor and long-distance fixed wing. To give a simple overview of how a drone could be used for firefighters, we can say to perform an overall air assessment of the situation from the ground, which is difficult to have, and which is more easiness than with an helicopter, to perform dangerous inspection, to detect people trapped into the fire, or to detect high invisible hotspot, and so on. So as for the other application, the use of drone for firefighters will continue to grow. And in order to make this growth possible, as Thales, we see two main points. The first one is that drone could be dangerous and can trigger dramatic consequences. So, for example, a drone sitting near an airport, you are obliged to close it. So drones shall be operated in a safe manner with a professional, and drones shall be equipped with adequate avionics in order to guarantee the safety and also to respect the present and the future regulation. And linked to this subject, Thales is organizing in September for the César GU a large-scale demonstration providing a safe usage of drone based on a firefighting scenario. Efficiency of geofencing and geocaching solution will be demonstrated. And the second point is that drone performances are at the basic level, and operational performances could and should be increased in order to have a better navigation and mission management with much more autonomy. And in the other side, to have a better and more efficient use of sensors to make a decision, to make analysis, and to make a decision. Because the most sensor use is a video and a thermal camera to make algorithm detection. And I think that in both cases, artificial intelligence could be the key to reach the next level. Thank you.